Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another video of Fix It Felix. Today we have this beautiful red 2011 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 engine. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the speed sensor. It's really simple, so stay tuned and I hope this video helped you in any way. Alright guys, let me show you where the sensor is. It looks hard to replace, but it's not. It's really simple. So if you go back here, is that sensor right there. I'll put an arrow on the screen so you can see it. It's the little black sensor right there. It's easy to replace. All you have to do is remove this bolt right here and this bolt right here, and then this part will come out. Then we're going to be removing the air box right here, which I'll show you in a minute how to do it. Now, using a 10mm socket, we're going to be removing this bolt that's over here. There. Okay, now over here, we're going to be unplugging the MAF sensor. Airflow sensor. So just push and pull, should come out there. And using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to unscrew this just a little bit. It should be fine. And then over here we have to pull up right here, there, and just wiggle this out until it should come out. Let me see. Okay, there. All right, with that out of the way, we can see the sensor better. It's that one right there. Let me see if they can focus. Okay, that's the sensor right there. Now, using a 10mm socket, we can remove it. So I have this one right here. Okay. It's really easy to replace, to take out. Okay. There. Now, in some cases, it's better for you to unplug the plug while it's here connected. So let me try if I can disconnect it from here. Let me see if I can give you guys a better angle. No, I'll try it from here. So the plug is simple, just press and pull and it should come out. Let me see. Press and pull, there. Come out. And from here, just wiggle this sensor until it comes out. There. All right, this is the old sensor. This is going to be the new one we're going to put in. I'll be putting a link down below where you guys can buy it if you need it. I'll get a small commission if you guys end up buying it. So, all right, let's put it in. And this is the new sensor. And let's see. All right. All right there. And don't forget to plug the plug. Right there. Nice and tight. All right, now let's add everything back in order, the way we took it out. Now don't forget this bolt that goes here in the back. And that's it. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up to this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.